Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today I'm answering the 15th fall question tag. I was tagged by my friend Gleeza from MadeWithGlee and I'm so excited because I'm taking you along while I make my Thanksgiving centerpiece because I want to dress up my table for Thanksgiving, and I will show you my supplies and we will jump to the questions. What we're going to use to make our arrangement is this floral foam from Walmart, this old vase I found at the thrift store, and all the fall floral that I had at hand. I gathered it here and we're gonna play around with this. So now let's get started. Now let's start our arrangement and our 15 fall question tag. And the first question would be favorite Halloween movie. That's an easy one. Hocus Pocus, The Haunted Mansion. And I'm starting to love Harry Potter thanks to my son. And the second question would be apple or pumpkin pie. That's a hard one because I love pumpkin pie, but I also love apple pie. But for fall, I would prefer pumpkin pie. Our third question would be Halloween party or explore a haunted house. Well, we don't have haunted houses here in Maya West where I live, so that will be Halloween party. But as soon as I move, I'm going to explore a haunted house. The fourth question would be store-bought or pumpkin patch pumpkins. Well, we don't have a pumpkin patch either. That's another thing I want to do as soon as I move. But my pumpkins would be store-bought and they're usually plastic. The fifth question would be favorite fall scent. I just bought it today. It's awesome. And it's apple cinnamon. My favorite drink, well, I don't have a fall favorite drink because we cannot find any pumpkin spice over here. So what I drink is usually iced coffee. The seventh question would be Halloween or Thanksgiving. I love Thanksgiving. I love having my family around. I love hosting, but that's a lot of work. I have to set up the table. I have to prepare the meal. I have to be taking care of everyone and everything. So I prefer Halloween because that's just a happy costume, lots of candy, and having fun with the kids. The eighth question would be must love pumpkin-based food. That's an easy one. I love pumpkin soup. You can see that in my Instagram. Number 9, corn maze or haunted hayride. Well, we don't have either, but I'm willing to check it out and answer that question next year when I move. Number 10, favorite candy to eat on Halloween. That's the easiest question. Roses, strawberries, caramel, milk chocolate, those are delicious. I just go to Walgreens and I empty those boxes. Favorite childhood memory, number 11. Well, that's a funny one and it includes my brother. He took a wig that I bought for a costume and he used it for a party. Yeah, right. That was not a party, but it got burned somehow and he had to help me to make my costume, and that was the funniest and that was the most amazing Halloween I had. Number 12, favorite Thanksgiving food. Well, I love everything about Thanksgiving. I cannot pick a favorite plate, but that could be our favorite pasteles because we add that in every meal after Halloween. We are Puerto Ricans. Well, number 13 would be sweater or scarf. We don't use lots of scarves here in Puerto Rico, so that would be sweater. Number 14, wool socks or slippers. Slippers always. Number 15, what is your favorite fall tradition? Just having family around, hosting for them. It doesn't matter what happens at fall, they always get together and we have the most amazing time together. So I love fall for that. I'm a fall girl. Now let me show you how this turned out. And this is how it turned out. As you can see, we have our arrangement. In the description box down below, I'm gonna leave you the link to Gleeza's channel, and also I'm gonna leave you the 15 questions for the friends that I will be tagging, and I will be tagging Mom from MomDas Life Handmade, Christine from Less Than 10, and Janny and Dyanne from Deco Easy. So consider yourselves tagged, girls. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching this type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.